Hi, my name is Julie, and if you want to learn how to crochet, we're just going to show you some basic steps of crocheting. So we're going to start off with an H hook, any hook will do basically, and some worsted weight yarn that I have here. And so to start off with in crochet, what you need to do is create a slip knot. So there are lots of ways to do slip knot. This is one that I like to do. So I just create a loop like so. I take my pointer and thumb, stick it into the hole, and grab that yarn like so. Pull, you have a beautiful slip knot. So we stick our hook in there, and we're just going to tighten that up. So once you have your slip knot on the hook, you're going to start chaining. So you'll notice that you have a tail right here. That's just when the yarn goes off, there's an end to it. And then you have your working yarn, which is attached to the ball. And of course, you're going to be working with the working yarn. So in order to chain, what you have to do is a yarn over. You take your working yarn and you yarn over. So you cross it from right to left over the hook right there, like so. And then you take this slip knot and you pull it over the hook. So again, you're going to yarn over. You're going to take this stitch right here and it's going to go over your working yarn. So over the hook like so. Yarn over, take that loop over the hook. You're going to yarn over, take that loop over the hook. Yarn over, take that loop over the hook. Yarn over, take that loop over the hook. And that is chaining right there. My cat has decided to join us for this part of the tutorial. So we have our chain right here, and once you have your chain, you're ready to do some stitches. So you'll notice that in your chain you have some links. So this is a link, this is a link, this is a link, this is a link. So to start a single crochet, you're going to skip the first link and you're going to go into the second link. I've seen people go through just the top of it like this. I've seen people go through the middle of it like this. And I think either way you're fine. So I'm just going to go through the top of it. So to start a single crochet, you're going to go through the second link right here. So we're going to go through. You're going to yarn over like you did with your chain. You're going to pull through the first one. And then, so now you have two loops on the hook. You're going to yarn over again, and you're going to pull through both of them. And that's a single crochet. Then we're going to go into the next one. So we're going to go into the next one. We're going to yarn over. We're going to pull through just that first loop. So now that we have two loops on the hook. You're going to yarn over, and then you're going to pull through both of them just like that. And that's a single crochet. So again, you're going to go through your chain. You're going to yarn over. You're going to pull through just the first one. And then you're going to yarn over again, and you're going to pull through both of them. And that is a single crochet. So pull through, go through the first loop, two loops on the hook, yarn over, go through both of them. And that would be your single crochet. So we've done our single crochet here all the way through our chains. And what we're going to do is we're going to turn the work. So that just means you turn it. And we're going to try to do something called a half double crochet. So to do that, we're going to chain two. Sometimes you chain two, sometimes you chain three. And what we're going to do is we're going to go into this first stitch right here. So this is a stitch, this is a stitch, and this is a stitch, and so on. So you notice that when you go through the stitch, you're going to have these two loops, you know, this V stitch right here on your hook. So that's normal, that's what you're supposed to do. So to do a half double crochet, you're going to yarn over and you're going to go into that first stitch right there. So we're going to go into the stitch and we're going to grab the yarn. So now we have 3 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over and we're going to go through all 3 of them. And that's a half double crochet. So again, we're going to yarn over, we're going to go through our stitch, we're going to grab that yarn and pull it through, and then we're going to yarn over and go through all those 3 loops. So we're going to yarn over, we're going to go through the stitch, grab that yarn, and then we're going to yarn over and go through all 3 stitches, and that would be a half double crochet. The cat has decided to join us one more time. I have completed my half double crochets here, so my single crochets are right here, my half double crochets are right here. I'm going to turn the work, and I'm going to show you how to do a double crochet. So to do that, I'm going to chain 3, and we'll get started. To do a double crochet, excuse me, what you're going to do is you're going to yarn over just like with a half double crochet, and you're going to put your hook through the stitch. Grab that yarn, and now you have 3 loops on the hook, just like a half double crochet. But this is where it gets different. You're going to yarn over, you're going to pull through just 2 of them, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through 2. And that it would be a double crochet. It's a little bit longer. So to start again, we're going to yarn over, go through our second stitch, grab that yarn. We have 3 loops on the hook. We're going to yarn over, we're going to pull through just 2 of those stitches. We have 2 left. We're going to yarn over, and we're going to pull through 2. And that's another double crochet. Yarn over, go through our loop, grab that yarn. We're going to yarn over, we're going to pull through 2, and we're going to yarn over and pull through 2 once more. And that would be a double crochet. This is what our stitches look like. We have our single crochet row right here. You'll notice it's a lot shorter. We have our half double crochet row right here, and then we have our double crochet row. I hope that this tutorial was helpful. I hope you have lots of happy hours crocheting and have a blessed day.